Hi guys, I just want to show you what's happening with Yellowstone, or what was happening with Yellowstone at the weekend when I took my readings. Discharge, amount of steam coming off that they can measure, whatever, it's sort of normal. Gauge height, kind of normal. But then you've got water temperature, right? And just try and shift across. So water temperature, right? You have the highest water temperature average taken from the, I don't know, about 12 stations, and I take the average of them all. You can see here that here's the highest water surface temperature, so basically the temperature of the water on the surface. Like if there was a pond there, they'd take the actual temperature of the water in that pond, let's say. Now here's the highest average of the year, and it just goes above 26. What's that one? 27.5, 27.4, 27, and then 28. And you can you see? I mean, it's quite zoomed out. And then we come to here. Let's just zoom in a bit. And then when we come to here, I've had to adjust the graph because it goes up to 3508. It might not seem like a lot, but I mean that's that's like 25% more than what it should be. If it should be 30, let's say, yeah, that's not pushing it as well, because 28 is the highest we've had over. These are the records I take over the years. You see obviously the years here. But 35, and I thought I made a mistake, so I went back and I checked my numbers and checked my calculation, and everything was fine. You know, there's all your numbers divided by 7, and yeah, so we come out 35. That's the highest. That's the highest water temperature in Yellowstone by far. I mean, look at it. I mean, it's even into like another sector of bloody readings. You know what I mean? It's just crazy. But if you go to Yellowstone and look at it, you won't see a lot of more steam coming off. But if you think about it, if the air temperature is hot as well as the water temperature as well, then you're not going to have that thing called steam coming off it. So, like say here, you can look at the numbers yourself. Water temperature, you know, all the way back. So you know, February is about the coldest time, and it's at 35. It's the highest. It's the highest reading by far. Stupid reading, like, but it is what it is. So I just thought I'd give you a little heads up on that one, Yellowstone volcano, because it is. Let's see. It is and will be when the Throne of God Nibiru hits at the 6th seal, after the rapture, after the saints have been sealed on their foreheads. Then the trumpet judgments come. Fiery hail, La Palma collapsing, mega tsunami across the Atlantic, the return of the Black Death, the going out of the sun for 3 days. And then you have Yellowstone, the bottomless pit. And it says the bottomless pit's going to open up, and it's going to darken the air and the sky. Okay? And out of that's going to come out locusts upon the earth, and they're going to torment people for 5 months. So this is why I keep records of like Yellowstone, and this is why I keep records of earthquakes and volcanoes, because these are the birth pain signs which Jesus talked about. He says look out for them birth pain signs. So I've been Pastor Prophet Justin Roberts from End of the Age Bible Prophecy. God bless you all. Amen.